Today I'm checking out this generator connection kit that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. So this is pretty cool. It comes with a bag that you can carry your cable in. Comes with a nice big thick 240 volt 50 amp cable. Comes with a little strap here that you can put on the cable so you can carry it easy. The electrical box that you would put on your home or near your breaker box, which should be probably installed by a professional. The hardware that's needed for that, and a little manual to go over what's in this kit. So this cord would plug into your generator, then it would hook into this, which would then, power your home while you have a power outage or whatever you're doing, honestly, that you need your generator. That's the box you'd plug it into. So if we had a power outage and I get this kit installed, this would plug into the generator. This is the 240 50 amp plug that would plug directly into our generator. And then this plug right here would plug into this power box that you would have mounted and ran into your electrical box. It's got these 3 prongs here and then a ground on the side. Same thing here. And that would then, of course, connect into your regular electrical box and power everything that's in there while it needs to be powered. You'd probably need a transfer switch or at least a shutoff switch. There's regulations that are different in different states and different cities and counties, so make sure you read up on that. A lot of places you cannot just go and install this yourself. If you don't know what you're doing on this, contact an electrician, find out what permits you need. But this box would be installed on the house side. This would plug into here, and then this would plug into your generator. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. We're going to install this on our tiny home. We have a tiny home out on our property that we have already powered up, but I'm going to run this into the sub panel so that way if we do lose power out here, I can just flip the breaker and then I can power up the whole tiny home with this kit. It's a really nice kit. The box is nice. I like everything about it. I think you will too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.